Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can add unique sound into your project in Canva. All you have to do now, you can open your Canva. Don't forget to sign in. If you don't have, you can try to sign up, create a new account. And let's start by click on apps and search for the style favorite from 2024. And here you can click on Tune Tank. Bring unique sound to your project. Get over 3,000 royalty-free curated background tracks across different genres, moods, and themes. Let's start by click use new design, or you can use in existing design. And I will use my N16 design here, and this is the Tune Tank. So you can search music, for example. Let's start with picnic or just a vacation. And here you can add this sound or harmony and so on. This is royalty free, so you can add this sound without worries. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click this button below. See you in the next video.